You know what's the best thing ever? It is this cup holder extender. So this is from JoyTutus. I think I'm saying that right, but I will link them down below, and I believe I have a discount code for you guys. But basically this goes into your regular cup holder. I'm gonna flip you guys real quick, but basically this end part goes into your regular cup holder, and it goes in like that, and you can put your hydro flask. This is a 40-ounce hydro flask, and it's so big for my regular cup holder, so I'm actually super excited for this. I hate when this is on my seat or on the floor and it rolls everywhere. It's so annoying. I hate when things move around when I'm driving, so this is so handy. And it also comes with this little, if I can get it out, ooh, okay. Let me grab another one. It also comes with these little things that you can put on the side. So if you have like a smaller water bottle than that 40 ounce, then you can put it in here securely. But I just take it out because that thing is freaking huge. So I just put it in here. Let me get it out. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it like dips in. So yeah, it just looks like that. Super excited for this. This is probably like the best invention ever, not gonna lie. Love that. I will link them down below.